Bronze fennel is an ancient herb that has been cultivated for culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. It is believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region and was highly valued by the ancient Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians. Bronze fennel was also used by the ancient Chinese and Indian civilizations, who believed it had medicinal properties and used it to treat a variety of ailments. Bronze fennel is a hardy perennial herb that can grow up to 6 feet tall. It has feathery, bronze-colored foliage that is highly aromatic and can add an interesting texture and color to the garden. The plant produces yellow flowers in midsummer that are highly attractive to bees and other pollinators. The seeds of bronze fennel are also edible and can be used as a seasoning or spice. Bronze fennel prefers well-drained soil and full sun. It is a hardy plant that can tolerate drought and heat, but may require some protection from strong winds. The plant can be grown from seed or propagated by division. It can also self-seed and may spread easily if not controlled. Bronze fennel is a great addition to a herb or cottage garden and can also be grown in containers. Bronze fennel is a great companion plant for a variety of vegetables and herbs, including tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants. It attracts beneficial insects to the garden such as ladybugs and hoverflies, which can help control pests. The plant also repels some harmful insects such as aphids and slugs. Bronze fennel is primarily used as a culinary herb and can add a unique flavor to a variety of dishes. The leaves, seeds, and stems can be used fresh or dried and are commonly used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisines. Bronze fennel can also be used to make tea or as a digestive aid. The plant is also highly ornamental and can add an interesting texture and color to the garden. Additionally, bronze fennel has a long history of medicinal use and has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and menstrual cramps.
Be all